नमस्ते बेटिया, सदा खुश रहो बेटिया. Myself Dr. Balraj Singh, Department of Dravya Gun, Faculty of Ayurved, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's Institute, Jaipur, Rajasthan. Today we discuss about Trivrat. Trivrat, botanical name Operculum terpetum, family is Convolvulaceae, कुल त्रिव्रत कुल कहते हैं. चारक mentions in Vedani Mahakasha. Vedni Mahakasha and Shushut mentioned in Adobhagarg and Shamadhigan. हिंदी में अपन इसको क्या किस नाम से जानते हैं? निशोथ नाम से. अब इसके पर्याय और उसके अर्थ. श्वेत तीव्रत. द स्टेम आर व्हाइटिश इन कलर एंड विद ट्रायंगुलर थ्री विंड इन शेप. ठीक है, इसका जो स्टेम होता है उसका ट्रायंगुलर होता है वो. तीव्रत या त्रिभंडी द स्टेम हैविंग शेप ऑफ ट्रायंगल बिकॉज ऑफ द longitudinal furrows. तीव्रत, त्रिभंडी, त्रिव्रता, त्रिपुटा, तेस्त्रा, इन नामों से अपन इसको जानते हैं. सर्वानुभूति, a reputed safe and effective purgative, so it is called सर्वानुभूति. सरला, having the properties of relieving constipation, so it is called sarla. Nishotra, relieving the shoth by the action of purgative. Rechini causes purgation, so it is called Rechini. Sarna removes constipation by the action of purgation. Water Vahini, the flowers are funnel shaped, a typical family. Putarna, character of convolvulaceae. Kumbha, a reputative purgative drug which is safe and effective. Main features: the plant is a climber with triangular and three-winged stems. Flowers are funnel-shaped. The drug is a reputed purgative and acts as a safe and effective purgative and thereby relieves constipation and useful drug in short. Habitat उत्पत्ति स्थान grown all over India about 1000 feet. Habits Swaroop, a stout, softly pubescent, twining perennial herb, stems with milky juice, very long, more or less compressed, angled, and twinned leaves, 2 to 5 inches long, ovate or oblong, subaquate, mucronate, base cordate or truncate. Pubescent on both surfaces, especially when young. Petioles 3 by 4 to 2 inches pubescent. Cymes few flawed. Peduncles 1 to inches long. Stout. Brackets up to 1 inches long. Oblong and lanceolate. Pubescent. Podaceous, often pinkish. Peduncles half to 1 inches long. Stout. Pubescent. Outer sepals in flower about half inches long. Ovate, mucronate, pubescent, much enlarged in fruit. Orbuscular, concave, scarious. The inner sepals smaller, membranous, apiculate, glabrous, corolla white, 1.5 to 2 inches long. Capsule 1/2 to 1 by 3 inches in diameter. Glabose, enclosed in enlarged imbricate, brittle. Calyx segment seed rounded black, one in each cell. उपयुक्त अंग part used मूल. Description of the part used. The मूल occurs in pieces 1.5 to 15 centimeter long, 1 to 5 centimeter in diameter, usually unbranched, cylindrical, elongated, bearing thin rootlets, thicker pieces, occasionally split and show central wood portion. Surface dull gray, reddish gray to light brown, showing deep furrows or longitudinal wrinkles, giving a rope-like or columnar appearance. Transversely cut surface shows thick whitish bark and light yellow center. Fracture in bark short in wood fibers, odor indistinct and slightly acrid and nauseating when kept in mouth for some time. गुण रस मधुर कटु तिक्त and कषाय वीर्य उष्ण गुण रघु लुक्ष लघु रुक् तीक्ष्ण विपाक कटु दोष कर्म का कफ पित्त शामक रोगन कर्म का फार्माकोलॉजी इलेक्शंस भेदन रेचक एंड वातनाशक पित्त पित्त आवर्ग्न शोथग्न उदर रोगहर शुक्र विरेचक. आमिक विरोग therapeutic uses. It is one of the best sukh virechak drug. It is given with shunti and other sugandh dravya sandvadya to avoid gripping sensation. It is useful in jwar, rakt पित्त, अर्श, विसर्प, शोथ, कामला, मलबद्धता, गुल्म, उदर रोग, व्रण, कृमि, कंडू and पांडु. मात्रा डोज चूर्ण 1 to 3 grams. औषध योग फॉर्मुलेशंस तीव्रतादि चूर्ण, तीव्रतादि गुलिका, तीव्रादि घृत एंड तीव्रतादि घृत, हृदय विरेचन लेह, अश्वगंधा रिस्ट, एविपत्ति का चूर्ण. केमिकल कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट रेजिनस ग्लाइकोसाइड्स. सब्स्टिट्यूट एंड अडल्ट्रेशंस Commercial samples are frequently adulterated with pieces of the stem with are sometimes winged and grayish-white in color. Stem species of Marsdenia tenacima are generally sold by the name of Chef Dishore. This is entirely a different drug. Sweta Trivrat Tribhandi Shar Trivrata Triputa Api Ch Sarvanubhuti Sarla Nishotha Rechniti Ch Sweta Trivat Rechni Shad Swadur Ushna Samir Harat Ruksha पित्त ज्वर श्लेष्म पित्त शोधो उद्रापहा तीव्रचार श्यामा अर्धचंद्रा च पालिंदी सुशेषणिका मसूर विदला काली केशिकी कालमेशिका श्यामो तीव्रततो हीन गुणा तीव्र विरेचनी मूर्छा दाव मत भ्रांति कंठोत्कर्षकारिणी. This is all about Tivrat. And now we discuss about Kantakari. Kantakari botanical name is Solanum xanthocarpum or Solanum suratens. Family Solanaceae. Full Kantakari full Charak mentions Kantakari in Kashar Mahakashai, Kanthe Mahakashai, Hikka Nigrahan Mahakashai, Shothar Mahakashai, Sheet Prashman Mahakashai, and Angmard Prashman Mahakashai. So Kantakari is very important drug in Ayurveda. Shushruta, Bhratyadigan, Varunadigan, and Lagu Panchmul. Shushruta mentioned Kantakari in Bhratyadigan, Varunadigan, and Lagu Panchmur. So Kantakari is very useful. Uh, Hindi name Kantakari and व्रत कटैया या कंटकारी बोलते हैं. कंटकारी a prickly diffused herb. A prickly diffused herb, so it is called Kantakari Dusparsha. The plant is difficult to touch because of thorns. And Shudra, a small herb, so it is called Shudra. Vyagri, a powerful medicine like a tiger or the best medicine to kill the disease. Nidagdika, the plant grow very fast or in short period of time. Kantalika, Kantakni, a very prickly herb. Dhawni, straggling plant. Brahy, it is like Brahy plant Solanum indicum, which is also thorny, best bigger in size. Dravani makes the sleshma to flow out or an expectorant. Shudraphala, the fruits are small in size. Chitraphala, they are variegated. Puli, fruits are in clusters. Kashagni, its liquefied cup, elevates cup. Rastrika, a common plant available everywhere. The synonyms of Dhanvantri Nigantu and Bhavaprakash Nigantu are one and the same. Main features: a common, struggling, very prickly plant grown everywhere. Fruits are small, variegated. It liquefies cough and elevates cough, obesity, mucus coating disorder of nose and voice, etc. Vague variety, two varieties of Katkar is mentioned in Bhavaprakash Nigantu depending on the color of the flower. Sweet Pushkantkari, which is not commonly found. This plant is taken as Lakshmana, which is used in Panchaman Kriya. Second is Kantakari or Neel Pushpi Kantakari, the flowers of which are blue in color and found very common everywhere and used as Kantakari. Habitat Utpatti Sthan throughout India found on westland. Habit Swarup, a very prickly bright green perennial herb, young part stellate tomentose, stem flexuous, woody at the base, branches many armed, with compressed, straight or somewhat curved yellow, glabrous shining prickles up to half inches long, leaves 2 to 4 inches long, ovate or elliptic, sinuate or sub-pinnatified, rounded, and unequal side at the base. Cloth, especially beneath, with stellate hairs, ultimately glabrous, the midrib, and often the main lateral nerves armed with long straight yellow spines, petioles up to 1 inches long, flowers few in extra axillary, short, peduncated, cymens or solitary, pedicles curved, stellately hairs, calyx 1.5 to 1 by 2 inches long, dense stellate, hairy and prickly lobes linear, lanceolate, acute, hairy outside, filaments glabrous, ovary ovoid, glabrous as long as the style, berry half to 3 by 4 inches diameter, yellow or white streaked with green seeds glabrous. उपयुक्त अंग part used is pancham. Then properties: रस कटु तिक्त वीर्य ऊष्ण गुण लघु रोक्ष विपाक कटु दोष कर्मता कफवा चमक रोगग्न कर्मता फार्माकोलॉजिकल एक्शंस सर, दीपन, पाचन, कासग्न, श्वासग्न, ज्वरग्न, कफ निस्सारक, वातग्न, penis hair, and क्रमिघ्न, हृदय रोग हर, कंठ्य वेदना स्थापन शोथग्न, and रक्त शोधक. With प्रयोग therapeutic uses in ज्वर a cloth prepared with guruchi and kantkari and given. It is useful in galshot and swasnalika shot. Mulak cloth is given and madhu and uh, sandhan. In cast Prathamaवस्था. In Ditya Avastha of Kas, a quat is prepared with Patra Swaras or Mool and given with Pipli and Madhu. In Tamak Swans and Udveshtan associated with Kas, Mool quat is given with Sandavadev and Hingu. Shushruth has stated a Tamak Swans 10 mg of Mool Churan 5 mg of Hingu should be given with Madhu 3 times a day till the disease is controlled. In Kas Swat, a ghat is prepared and given. Mulquat is given in Mutrakwach, Ashmari and Jalodhar. In Krami, Dantjanya Shul, beej is used in Dhumrapan. In Mukpak, Panchangquat is used for Gandush. In Amvat, Patra Swaras is given with Marich. In Galshot, the Swaras is Phal is given. Matra dose Mulquat 50 to 100 ml Churan 1 to 2 gram. औषधि योग फॉर्मुलेशंस कंटकारियादि अवलेख पंचतिक्त घृत व्याघ्री हरित कंटकारी घृत व्याघ्री तेल निदग्धिगादि क्वास केमिकल कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट ग्लूको एल्कलॉइड्स एंड स्टीरोल्स कंटकारी सरा तिक्ता कटुका दीपनी लघु वृक्षो उष्णा पाचनी कास श्वास ज्वर कफ अनिलान निहंती पीनसम पार्श्व पीड़ा कृमि हरदाम्यान. That's all about Kantakari. So today we discuss two plants, Tibrat and Kantkari. Both are the very important plants of Ayurveda and also in your according to your syllabus of BMS and competitive exams. So you should uh, learn about the name, botanical name, family name, classical categorizations, and habitat and habit and properties and pharmacological actions and therapeutic uses and formulations, doses, all of the above of the plants. So both plants are very important. So today's session is powered by Discussing version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's Institute Jaipur Rajasthan. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. Thank you.